All right. In today's YouTube tips video, I want to talk about reflecting and why it's so important and how to do it. So, reflecting, let's just look up the definition real quick. Reflecting, reflection. Um, Serious thought or consideration. Think deeply or carefully about. Um, what I do when I reflect, this is what it's just simple this way, okay? So, when you do something, so you know how like they say that thing, we live life forwards, but we think backwards, but we live life forward. So like when you do something, the reason why I'm reflecting is so important. So what I do is what I do every morning is I make my videos, and then when I'm done, I go to my couch. I eliminate all distractions. That's the most important part when you're reflecting because you need to teleport to the past. It's essentially what we're doing here. Okay, time traveling. So we walk to the couch, and I shut my eyes, and I cover my ears, whatever. I try to eliminate all the distractions, and then I just start saying what I did from the moment I woke up. So I wake up, I do my routine, then I go make videos, then I reflect. Right after I reflect, I journal because it's a second form of reflection, and then I post. Well, whatever. That's not the important part. But reflecting, so literally, you just sit there and you just go in your head, and you just say in your head everything you did. Because what that does is it solidifies that timeline in your head so that you can flip it over and then form a better pattern in the future when you try that pattern again. And that's the power of reflection. Like it while you're going through the motions and you feel stupid, you make all these mistakes, but you just like shut up about it while you're in the moment. Don't worry about it. Just get it done so that when you get to that reflection stage, you can sit down, replay it back in your head and go, okay, even if it's one thing. Can you imagine doing the same thing for 365 days and you think of one thing that's better every single day? That would be insane. Okay. So that's the power of reflection. Or that's how you reflect. And it is super powerful. Give it a shot. And if this is helpful to you, please subscribe. I'll catch you later. I'm trying to post every single day.